Hello viewers, good morning. Welcome to my channel VMS Physics. நம்ம சேனலில் ஸ்டேட் போர்ட் சிபிஎஸ்சி ஜேஇ நீட் ஓரியன்ட் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபஸ்ட் நம்ம சூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கிறது எலக்ட்ரோஸ்டாட்டிக்ஸ். இதில் எலக்ட்ரிக் சார்ஜஸ் அண்ட் ஃபீல்ட்ஸ். ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு ப்ராப்ளம் பார்க்குறதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீங்கள் நல்ல இதோட ஃபார்முலாஸ் கான்செப்ட் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு அதோட ஃபார்முலாஸை நல்லா ரிமெம்பர் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கிறோம். ஸோ இப்போ நம்ம போட்டிருக்கிறது ஃபார்முலாஸ், இதை ரிமெம்பர் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கிட்டிங்கன்னா ப்ராப்ளத்துக்குள்ள போகலாம். ஓகே, நம்ம ப்ராப்ளத்துக்குள்ள போகலாம். இப்போ குட் மார்னிங் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். ஸோ நவ் வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு டிஸ்கஸ் அபவுட் சம் எக்ஸசைஸ் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் இன் எலக்ட்ரோஸ்டாட்டிக்ஸ். ஸோ ப்ராப்ளம் நம்பர் 1. So when two objects are rubbed with each other, approximately a charge of 50 nanocoulomb can be produced in each object. Calculate the number of electrons that must be transferred to produce this charge. Students, when two objects are rubbed with each other, a charge of 50 nanocoulomb can be produced in each object. So our aim is to calculate the number of electrons. Okay, so first we'll write the given data. So given data in this problem. So we know that only one data is given, that is a charge Q is equal to 50 nanocoulomb. Students, you can carefully understand this unit. This is not 50 coulomb, 50 nanocoulomb. So 1 nano is equal to 10 power minus 9. So 50 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb. So it's a charge produced in each object. Our aim is to calculate the number of electrons. So students, you remember the formula which is already studied in the first chapter. So you remember the quantization of charge, the quantization principle. So quantization of charge Q is equal to NE. So quantization of charge Q is equal to NE, where N is the integer, N represents the number of electrons, where E is the charge of the electron. So E is the charge of the electron. So we know that the charge of the electron E is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. So our aim is to calculate the value of N. That is called the number of electrons transferred. So number of electrons transfer N, which is equal to Q divided by E. So Q divided by E. So substitute this value. So N is equal to, what is the value of Q? 50 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb divided by, what is the value of E? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Coulomb it cancel. So remaining 10 power minus 9. If you move this 10 power minus 19 there, 10 power plus 10. So resultant 10 power plus 10. So you divide this two term, 50 divided by 1.6, you will get it 31.25 into 10 power 10. What it represents? Number of electrons transferred, N value. So 31.25 into 10 power 10 electrons are transferred to produce this charge. Do you understand? So we calculate the value of N, number of electrons. You remember this formula, quantization of charge. Then you can carefully understand how much amount of charge is produced in each object, whether it is a microcoulomb or nanocoulomb or coulomb. So once you can understand this data, you can easily calculate the value of n. So problem number 2, the total number of electrons in the human body is in the order of 10 power 28. So number of electrons in the human body is in the order of 10 power 28. Suppose due to some reason you and your friend lost 1%, so not gain, lost 1% of this number of electrons. So calculate the electrostatic force between you and your friend separated at a distance of 1 meter. Okay, then compare this result with your weight. Assume the mass of the each person is equal to 60 kg, and you will use the point charge approximation. So in this problem, what are the given data? So first you can understand the number of electrons in the human body is 10 power 28. So n value is equal to 28. Suppose you will consider n is equal to 10 power 28. Due to some reason you and your friend lost 1% of this number of electrons. There are 2%, both of them losses 1% of this total number of electrons due to some reason. So first we will write number of electrons in each person, that is written as n1 which is equal to n2 which is equal to, so totally 10 power 28 electrons in the human body. Both of them losses 1% of this total number of electrons. So we will write 1% of 10 power 28. So 1% of 10 power 28 means it is equal to 10 power 26. Okay, how much? 10 power 26. So each person has 10 power 26 number of electrons after they are lost 1%. Okay, so let us calculate the charge of each person. So we know the formula to calculate the charge, that is considered as according to the quantization principle. We know that Q is equal to Ne. So there are 2 persons, both of them occur 10 power 26 electrons. So Q1 which is equal to Q2 which is equal to 10 power 26 into, what is the value of E? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. So 10 power 26, 10 power minus 19. So remaining power 7. So which is approximated equal to 1.6 into 10 power plus 7 coulomb. Okay. So Q1 which is equal to Q2 which is equal to 1.6 into 10 power 7 coulomb. Okay, so now we can understand the first person and second person occur the same amount of charges. So you remember the electrostatic force equation according to the Coulomb's law. we know that f of e is equal to, simply you will remember the formula is k q1 q2 by r square. Okay, so here both of the charges are equal, so simply we will write k is equal to, what's the value? Suppose we will expand 1 by 4 by epsilon naught q1 dot k2, so simply we will write q square by r square. Okay, so now you substitute all this value. So before substitute all this value, you will remember the value of k. So already we discussed in the first chapter. K is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught, which is equal to, so 9 into 10 power plus 9. You don't forget this value, which is very useful for problems. Okay, so instead of this value, this quantity 1 divided by 4 by epsilon naught, you will substitute value of 9 into 10 power 9. So remaining value you know that. So f of e, which is equal to 9 into 10 power 9 q square. So 1.6 into 10 power 7 divided by r square. What is the value of r? So r is equal to, given data, r is equal to, what's the value? 1 meter. So 1 square. Okay, so 9 into 10 power 9, 1.6 into 10 power 7, the whole square, because q square, divided by 1 square. Okay, if you calculate this value, we will get it 23 into 10 power plus 23. So it's a force. So the SI unit of force is Newton. So this is the electrostatic force. It's an electrostatic force between the two charges. Okay, so now you see the problem. Compare this with your weight. Okay, so we'll write the formula for weight. W is equal to mg. So m is given, the mass of the person, each person is equal to 60 kg. So g, oscillation due to gravity, so 60 into 9.8, which is equal to 588 Newton. So calculate this value, which is equal to 588 Newton. So our aim is to compare this electrostatic force with your weight. We see this value 23 into 10 power 23 Newton and 588 Newton. So you can understand the electrostatic force is very much greater than weight of your body. So F of E very much greater than W. So we know that electrostatic force is the strongest known forces in the nature. Okay, thank you.
வியூவர்ஸ், இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் அண்ட் ஷேர் டு மேக்ஸிமம். பக்கத்தில் இருக்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. பக்கத்துலேயே ஒரு பெல் ஐக்கான் இருக்கும், பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணிக்கிடுங்க. என்னுடைய அப்கமிங் வீடியோஸ் எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் வந்துடும். தேங்க்யூ.